welcome back to the video YouTube. Today we're gonna install the Wallbox Pulsar Plus. I've already opened it and taken out all of the extra boxes. So this is what you have once you open it. Basically, there's the main unit. Everything's already attached. Your place for the charging handle to go into, and some screws, the booklet, and your mounting plate. So we're gonna go straight to it. We're gonna put this mounting plate right here on a wall and go from there. So let's do it. All right, so this is the location that we're gonna put the plate, the mounting plate for it. And I've already pre-marked the hole, so let's just screw it in. And it's powered on. The install was just that easy. All right, now that we have everything mounted up, it's turned on, powered up, let's just charge the car now.